Good afternoon, everybody. Buenas tardes a todos. This is my presentation on pollution. Es para mi clase de habilidades comunicativas en inglés. Mi nombre es Uriel Armando Flores Muñoz y estamos a noviembre 7 del 2021. Pollution. What is pollution? It's the introduction of a substance or thing that has harmful or poisonous effects to the environment. Types of pollution. I use three types, which are air pollution. It consists of chemicals or particles in the atmosphere that pose serious health and environmental threats. Second type is water pollution. Is the release of substance in the bodies of water that make water unsafe for human use, and it disrupts aquatic ecosystems. The third type is land pollution. In other words, means degradation and destruction of earth surface and soil directly and indirectly as a result of human activities. Air pollution. In air pollution, we have the greenhouse effect. The types of air pollution, there are actually two types. The first type is natural resources, which are caused by forest fires, volcanic eruptions, and allergens. The second type is human activity, which are caused by energy use, agriculture, transportation, machines, and production, for example, from factories and refineries. Again, we have the greenhouse effect, and it causes and is caused by burning fossil fuels, which creates greenhouse gases into the air, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and fluorinated gases that trap the heat from the sun in the Earth's atmosphere, leading to a rise in global temperatures. This creates a cycle where climate changes and creates high temperatures. The high temperatures create smog, rise in mold, and more pollen because of the high heat. It also increases levels of ultraviolet radiation. Water pollution. More than 5 trillion pieces of plastic that are floating in our oceans at this moment. Oil spills aren't able to be picked up to the point that we kill everything that's alive. Animals eat and get trapped in these death traps. Land pollution. This happens because of certain materials that aren't able to be decomposed or may take years to decompose. The trash gets burnt that release greenhouse gases, which damages the ecosystem. For example, plastics, oil, fuels are the cause of destruction of the environment. Killing animal habitats and cutting down trees contribute to this destruction. What is pollution doing to our environment? Well, it's damaging our ecosystem, killing off animals, making it harder for plants to grow and survive. It changes weather patterns and affects the climate, and it's also killing our earth to the point of destroying life itself. What can we do to help? Okay? We can limit toxic pollutes, smog, and greenhouse gases by decreasing the use of fossil fuels, such as in transportation, manufacturing, and electric generation. We can ride our bikes to work or walk and limit the burning of things. Also, start using electric or hybrid cars to minimize pollution. We also need to start using solar power electricity and generators that conserve energy. They can help us limit the release of greenhouse gases. We need to also use reusable containers and learn to recycle. We need to start planting more trees and plants and take care of our environment. Basically, be more eco friendly. Help clean up our streets and don't throw trash on the floor. Use better techniques for agriculture without damaging our soils and the atmosphere. In conclusion, I believe we all got to contribute to clean up our earth and be more eco friendly to the environment. We should always recycle and reuse. Also, start the use of solar power equipment for everything. I believe this might take a while to achieve across the world, but we can all make a difference and we can start by doing this here in Mexico. Here are my references, and I would like to say thank you for listening, and I hope you like my presentation and you take my advice into consideration. Thank you.